Welcome to another edition of Schmick's Plumbing. Today we're going to be testing the solenoids on the Worcester Bosch gas valve. This one is a NR874700336. These have three different solenoids on the back. The ones that we're going to test are these two. These will either be in the open or closed position. This one is a little bit more complicated because this kind of lets the gas in different amounts. So this one we won't be testing. So these are the two solenoids that will determine whether or not your boiler goes into ignition mode or not. So what we need a multimeter. This multimeter we need to set to ohms. Now the ohms, the resistance of the coil can vary. It can vary from anything between 10 ohms to 1500 ohms. The solenoid that we'll be testing should be around about 65-70 ohms. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to set this to a suitable resistance, suitable measurement. So we're going to set it to 200 ohms. There we go. And we've got the probes, and it doesn't matter which way around the probes go. There's no positive, negative. It doesn't matter with these. So here we go. So this one here, can you get this? Let's have a look. Oh. There you go. Can you get the reading and this in together? Yeah. There we go. And that's got a 0 reading, which means that is a faulty coil in that solenoid valve. This one here, that one there. That one is also faulty, which is a bit of a surprise. So that one there, that valve there is rubbish. So chuck that one away. It's another one. It's exactly the same valve. And this one there is 64 ohms, which is fine. That one there is 65. Again, that is fine. The resistance of these coils varies from gas valve to gas valve. Unfortunately, I don't know what the exact specifications for these are, because I don't know which model is in here. However, I know this is a working gas valve, and the reading there goes to confirm that. The function of these coils is they attach to a plunger inside the body, and what happens is when there's no power, the plunger is in the closed position and doesn't allow gas to enter the valve. When they're working, the voltage pulls the plunger back, allowing the gas to come in. And there's two, and usually the reason for that is for safety reasons. For example, if one of these valves was to get stuck in the open position, at least you would have a second fail-safe to prevent the gas from entering the body when you didn't want it to. So that's why generally they have two. And as I say, the blue one there, these two just are either open or closed, and the blue one there, it's a little bit more complicated. What this does is it varies, it moves in and out depending on how much power you want coming out of the boiler. There we are, all done for today.